Picture this, a stretch of white Caribbean sand, a three-tier infinity pool catching the afternoon sun and not a screaming toddler in sight. That is the pitch behind Sandos Cancun all-inclusive, an adults-only five-star resort tucked into the heart of the Zona Hotelera at kilometer 14. Sitting right on the beach with the turquoise water out front and the lagoon at its back, this place has carved out a reputation as a smaller, more relaxed alternative to the mega-resorts that dominate this strip. It is owned and operated by Sandos Hotels and Resorts, and it leans hard into the idea that grown-ups deserve a vacation too. So the big question is whether the experience actually lives up to the postcard. Let us break it down piece by piece, starting with where guests rest their heads. The room lineup at Sandos Cancun is fairly straightforward, which is honestly a relief if you have ever tried to decode a resort website with 12 overlapping suite categories. At the entry level, the deluxe room offers either one king bed or two doubles, sleeping up to 3 guests with a flat-screen television, free Wi-Fi, a minibar restocked daily, a coffee maker, and in-room safe and dependable air conditioning. Step up to the deluxe ocean view, and you get the same amenities but with that signature Caribbean horizon out your window, which is the view most people are flying down for in the first place. Both of these rooms work well for couples who plan to spend most of their time outside the room and just want a clean, comfortable base. For travelers who want a bit more breathing room, the Laguna Suite adds a separate living area and looks out over the lagoon side of the resort, which gives you stunning sunsets in the evenings. Some Laguna suites also feature a hydro massage tub, although that varies unit by unit, so it is worth asking at booking if that detail matters to you. The top tier is the Sandos Suite, which comes with a separate bedroom and living room, a larger bathroom with both a tub and a shower, and in many cases an ocean view that guests rave about. The honest caveat here is that the rooms have been described by some recent visitors as a little dated, with a few mentions of bathroom maintenance issues. The bones are good, but you should expect comfortable rather than cutting edge when you walk through the door. When it comes to dining, the all-inclusive program here punches above its weight for a resort of this size. The main hub is Zango, an international buffet that handles breakfast, lunch, and dinner with a rotating selection of dishes, so picky eaters and adventurous foodies can usually find common ground. For something more memorable, Gaijin is the Asian and teppanyaki spot, and it consistently shows up in guest reviews as a highlight, with the chefs putting on the kind of knife-flipping, onion volcano show that makes dinner feel like dinner theater. Reservations there are strongly recommended because word has gotten around. Seasons brings a steakhouse and contemporary cuisine angle for guests who want a thicker cut of beef and a quieter atmosphere. Italian fans get Fratini's, which delivers the expected pasta, pizza, and red sauce comfort food in a setting that works equally well for a relaxed lunch or a candlelit dinner. Then there is St. Trop, the poolside spot that handles snacks and light meals so you do not have to peel yourself off a lounger just to grab a bite between dips. Beyond the restaurants, the bars are spread strategically across the property, covering the lobby, the pool area, and the beachfront, and the all-inclusive package means you are never far from a frozen drink or a decent cocktail. The general consensus is that the food is solid and varied rather than mind-blowing, with the specialty restaurants outperforming the buffet, which is a pretty common pattern at resorts in this category. Service can slow down during peak meal times, so a little patience goes a long way. Now we get to the part that most guests came for in the first place, which is the water. Sandos Cancun is built around a multi-level outdoor infinity pool setup that has earned itself a small fan club online, and once you see it cascading down toward the ocean, you understand why. The three-tier design gives guests options, whether they want a lively spot near the swim-up bar or a quieter corner to read a book and pretend the real world does not exist. Loungers are plentiful around the pool decks, and unlike some of the bigger resorts in the area, you do not need to set an alarm at sunrise to claim a good spot. The pool area also serves as the unofficial social hub during the day, with music, activities, and the kind of low-key energy that suits an adults-only crowd. Step past the pools and you are on the beach, a private stretch of soft sand that the resort has thoughtfully outfitted with loungers and shade options. The Caribbean here lives up to the marketing brochures, with that almost cartoonish shade of blue that does not seem real until you see it in person. Non-motorized water sports are included as part of the on-site facilities, so guests can grab a kayak or a paddleboard without reaching for their wallet. The beach is generally calm and well-maintained, although like much of Cancun, it can occasionally be affected by seaweed depending on the season. Overall, the pool and beach combination is widely considered one of the strongest features of the entire property, and it punches well above what you might expect from a mid-sized resort. The activity programming at Sandos Cancun is run by an entertainment team that gets singled out in reviews more often than not. And that is the sign of a property that actually invests in the experience rather than just hanging up a daily schedule and calling it done. Daytime activities tend to revolve around the pool, with games, dance lessons, water aerobics, and the kind of friendly competitions that get strangers high-fiving by the end of the afternoon. The fitness center is on site for guests who want to keep up their routine, and it covers the basics without trying to be a full commercial gym. Non-motorized water sports give the beach an active dimension, and for golfers, there is a course within about 2 miles of the property if you want to swing some clubs during your stay. Evening entertainment is another area where the resort leans in, with shows, live music, and themed nights that keep the energy going after the sun sets. It is the kind of programming that works whether you want to be front and center clapping along or sipping a drink from the back of the room and people watching. Cultural enrichment is mostly handled through the location itself, since Cancun and the surrounding Yucatan region are loaded with Mayan history and natural wonders just a short ride away. For guests who want more structured cultural experiences, the concierge can help arrange excursions to nearby ruins, cenotes, and island day trips. Between the on-site programming and the easy access to outside adventures, boredom is not really an option here unless you actively pursue it. The spa at Sandos Cancun is a proper retreat with treatment rooms, a sauna, and a solarium, which together cover the bases for guests who want to actually unwind rather than just claim they did. Massage therapies, facials, and body treatments make up the core menu, and the smaller scale of the resort means the spa tends to feel personal rather than industrial. There is something to be said for a spa where the therapists are not running back-to-back-to-back appointments like an assembly line. The sauna and solarium add an extra layer for guests who want to ease into wellness as part of their day, perhaps after a morning workout or a long stretch on the beach. Wellness here is less about formal detox programs and more about creating the conditions for genuine rest, which honestly is what most travelers actually need. The adults-only environment plays a big role in that because the noise level across the property stays at a frequency that supports relaxation rather than fighting against it. Guests who want to maintain a yoga or fitness routine can use the gym and the open spaces around the property, and the warm climate makes outdoor stretching by the beach an easy ritual to adopt. Pair a spa treatment with an afternoon by the infinity pool and a quiet dinner, and you have got a recipe for the kind of vacation day that lowers your blood pressure just thinking about it. For travelers who came specifically to decompress, the wellness side of Sandos Cancun delivers without being flashy. Location is one of the strongest cards Sandos Cancun has to play, and the Zona Hotelera puts a remarkable amount of Cancun within easy reach. Playa Delfines, one of the most photographed public beaches in the city, sits about 3.5 kilometers down the road and is worth a visit just for the iconic Cancun sign and the dolphin sculptures. Culture seekers will appreciate that the Museo Maya de Cancun is only about 2 kilometers away, offering a deep look at the region's pre-Columbian history without requiring a full-day excursion. Right next door to the museum is the El Rey Archaeological Zone, a Mayan ruin site about 4 kilometers out that gives you genuine history with iguanas wandering the grounds for atmosphere. Shopping options are plentiful, with La Isla Shopping Village roughly 3 kilometers away offering an open-air mall with brand-name stores, an aquarium, restaurants, and even a small canal running through the middle. The interactive Aquarium Cancun is also about 2 kilometers away for guests who want to add some marine life to the trip. For a bigger shopping and dining outing, Puerto Cancun Marina Town Center is about 10 kilometers up the road, and the family-style Ventura Park is around 12 kilometers away if you fancy a thrill ride day. Cancun International Airport sits about 17 kilometers from the resort, which keeps the transfer time short and predictable for arrivals and departures. The location truly is one of the resort's most consistent strengths, scoring well across review platforms. Taking the full picture into account, Sandos Cancun lands in that sweet spot of being widely liked without being universally adored. Booking.com puts the overall guest score at around 7.8. Expedia sits closer to 8.2, and TripAdvisor logs more than 10,000 reviews with an average of 4 stars, which collectively paints a consistent picture. The strengths are clear. A stunning beachfront setting, beautiful pools, friendly and attentive staff, strong specialty restaurants, and an adults-only atmosphere that genuinely delivers on the promise of a calmer stay. Guests repeatedly mention how easy it is to get around because the resort is on the smaller side, and that intimacy is part of its charm. The weaker points are also fairly consistent across reviews and worth knowing about before you book. The rooms, while comfortable, have been described as showing their age in spots, with occasional maintenance hiccups in bathrooms. Service can slow down during peak times, the buffet does not quite reach the heights of the specialty restaurants, and value for money is the lowest scoring subcategory on Booking.com at around 7.4, which suggests guests feel the price tag could be matched a little more closely by the experience. None of this is a deal-breaker, but it does mean travelers should arrive with realistic expectations rather than imagining a brand-new luxury property. What sets Sandos Cancun apart from its competitors really comes down to a few key things. First, the size. This is a smaller resort by Cancun standards, and that translates into shorter walks, easier access to staff, and a friendlier vibe overall. Second, the adults-only policy, which is consistently praised by guests who want to escape the chaos of family-oriented mega-resorts. Third, the infinity pool design, which has become a signature feature and a major draw in its own right. Add in the beachfront location in a prime stretch of the Zona Hotelera, and you have a combination that is genuinely hard to replicate. Beyond the leisure side, Sandos Cancun does have meeting and event spaces that can accommodate small to mid-sized gatherings, making it a viable option for destination weddings, intimate corporate retreats, or milestone celebrations. The adults-only environment lends itself particularly well to weddings and anniversary trips, and the resort has experience hosting these kinds of events, with the beachfront setting providing a built-in backdrop that no ballroom in a colder climate can compete with. Packages and arrangements can be tailored through the resort's events team for groups that want to combine business with the obvious pleasures of a Caribbean location. When it comes to memorable guest moments, the entertainment team consistently steals the show. Past reviews call out individual team members by name, with one guest specifically praising a host named Viviana for making their stay genuinely fun, and that kind of personal recognition almost never happens by accident. The hibachi performance at Gaijin keeps showing up as a highlight, with the combination of skilled cooking and showmanship turning a simple dinner into a memory that guests share online weeks later. Then there is the simple pleasure of watching the sun set over the lagoon from a Laguna Suite balcony, or catching the early morning quiet on the beach before the loungers fill up. Other highlights guests mention are the swim-up bar conversations that turn strangers into friends by the end of a week, the attentive bartenders who remember your drink order after one visit, and the small touches like a fresh towel waiting for you at the pool. For a property that has been around long enough to develop a few wrinkles, Sandos Cancun still seems to understand that hospitality is ultimately about people. If you arrive willing to embrace the slightly worn-in character and focus on the sun, the sand, and the company, this resort delivers exactly the kind of relaxed Caribbean escape it advertises. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up, subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.